Hello everyone, welcome back to the series of Learn Ethical Hacking from Zero using Over-the-Wire Bandit, and this is the level 24th and episode 21st. So today's goal is simple. The program is running again at the same interval, the same thing from the previous two lectures, and again the same folder, you can say the directory, and we need to see the configuration. Just there are two new things. The level requires to create a new first shell script which will be in bash language. This is a very big step if you know how to code these things, and you should be proud of yourself whenever you beat this level. It's obvious, like if you will do something new, then you know that you are doing something new, and you will get some kind of happiness or satisfaction from that thing. So this is obvious. And there is note 2 also, like keep in mind that your shell script is removed once execution, so you may need to copy around. So this is a basic thing, like you can understand everything. This is simple English. So without wasting time, let's log into the server. So SSH SP 2220 bandit 23rd at the rate, and here is the IP, and boom, we got the login. But we need to give the password. So we got the password from the previous level, and boom, we got the access. So if you see, we need to look into this directory, that is this one. So let's go to this directory. And if we see in this directory, we can see there are things. This Leviathan something. So here we can see we already use these two cron job, but as you know, this is gonna level 24 then. So we are using that. So let's study what is inside that. So this is simple. The script is running again every minute as bandit user 24, and we are as bandit user 23rd. And here is the file, sorry, script part. So if we will study the script, then we will come to know what we need to do. Simple bash script again, my name, who am I, again everything is executing, but there is a difference. This time this is executing and deleting all the script. So that's why there was a note that keep in your mind the shell script is removed once execution. Okay. So there is nothing. We just need to make a script to bypass these things, because we as bandit 23rd cannot access and read the password which is in the directory etc, then bandit pass, then bandit user, which we can't read because that can be accessed only by bandit user 24th, as you know. Because basically I am talking about this path, this one, etc bandit pass, this one. So if you will try to study this, then you are not authorized. But if you will go for 23rd, then you can easily view it. Okay. Why? Because only the authorized user is able to access. But here in a script, you can see this script is accessed as bandit 24. So this script can study and give me the password. But how I am going to use this vulnerability? For using this vulnerability, there is nothing. You just need to do one thing. Here you can see it is executing a script which is inside this folder. So we need to make a script which will copy the password from this path, and that password will be given to us using a temporary directory, because temporary directory gives you the full permission. There is no issue. So we just need to make a script. So let's go and make a script, and it's very easy. So nanoscript dot sh. First, you need to specify. Here I have copied the script. You can copy paste it. I will give you in the description, or you can just write it. It's very simple. So here you can see we are going to use this thing. Basically, a bin bash etc. Then you basically the first line refers that this is a bash file. Okay. The second line is simple. I am studying the password and then giving that password into the temporary file that is here. And in the temporary directory, also a password.txt file will be there. So we can save it. For now, I am just leaving it because first we need to make the temporary directory, and then inside that we will make that. Okay. So for that, first make temporary directory. there already a file exists, then cd temp temp t. Well, yes, there already. And here is already the file because I used this directory for basically you can say for the in the video man. So now we need to change the name. So let's change the name to 13. There is no problem. So let's make mkdir temp st13 and boom temp st13 and ls. Now there is nothing, so there is no issue. Now let's give some permission to this directory, that is chmod 777 full reading and writing capacity to this directory. Let's give it. Okay, all done. Now we need to make a script. So nano script.sh. You can give name anything. This is very simple. Just follow and see the process. And here you need to give the exact name of the temporary, basically the exact path of the temporary directory. Okay. So now you will save it, exit, and you will see here you can see the ls dash. Okay, so here you can see the read and write are very low. We need to give the high privilege. Okay, so for that we are using chmod -x, then script.sh, whatever the file name. Now, if you will see this, then here you can see read write. You can see more privilege so that everyone can access this file. So now we just need to copy paste this file. Now you will say where. As I already told, you need to give this file here. So just copy it and copy script, because now our script is ready, everything is ready. Just here we need to make a small change. Instead of $my name, you need to give bandit24, because as bandit24 it need to be there. Basically the file, you can go inside this file and check what are the things. And when you will give this thing, if you will do ls, now there is nothing, but you need to wait 1 minute. Now you will say why? Because cron jobs is running for 1 minute, and for getting the password we need to wait for 1 minute, because we made the script and we gave the script in this path. Now this will be executed automatically, because cron job works as per regular intervals, as you know. So this was very simple. So we just need to wait, or you can say you can give this command also, sleep 60 or 70, so that it will not accept any command until that. But we can wait, there is no issue. Let's understand it once. So we did nothing. We got a directory where we know there was a vulnerability and there was a file. We got the cron job file, and using that cron job file, we came to know that this is executing and deleting all the scripts that is available at this place. So we made a script and we injected that a script in that place. And whenever the cron job will run, it will execute and delete that file. But here is the twist. Our script is going to extract the sensitive information, that is the password. And here is the password.txt file which we got after 1 minute, because the time of the execution of the script is 1 minute. So this was very simple. I hope you guys understood. And when you will write this command, you know this command again, and boom, we got the password, and we need to save the password here as MC. So this was nothing but this was a big impact and big improvisation in the fundamentals of Linux. So I hope this series will be end soon, but we will start new one. There is no issue. So for this level, I hope you guys understood everything. So for now, this was all in this video. Let's see you guys in the upcoming video. Till then, stay safe, stay secure. Bye bye, regards, and have academy.